about is SBA Microloans. They're for small businesses and nonprofit childcare centers that need smaller amounts of capital and may not yet qualify for the larger programs. So for the loan amounts, it's up to $50,000. The average SBA microloan is about $13,000. Let's talk a little bit about how it works. The SBA funds nonprofit intermediary lenders, community organizations, and mission-driven lenders, who then lend directly to small businesses. Each intermediary sets its own specific requirements within the SBA's framework. Some focus on underserved communities, minority-owned businesses, or specific industries. Now let's talk about interest rates. They typically range from 8 to 13%, depending on the intermediary and your profile. Higher than the 504, but comparable to or better than alternative lenders. Now let's talk about collateral. Generally less stringent than standard SBA loans, some intermediaries approve microloans under $25,000 with just a personal guarantee. Additional benefit: many SBA microloan intermediaries offer business training and technical assistance alongside the loan, mentorship and education that larger SBA programs do not include. So who is this loan for? Startups, very small businesses, business owners building credit who are not yet ready for a 7A, anyone who needs under $50,000 and wants SBA-backed terms without full documentation burdened under the larger programs. Find your local SBA intermediary at sba.gov. Okay, so let's take some notes here. SBA microloan up to 50K. Average is going to be 13K. Interest rates, they're going to be anywhere from 8 to 13%. And also, remember guys, the collateral, really you just need a personal guarantee that's often significant enough. And again, the SBA microloan is going to be best fit for startups, very small businesses, and if you're still building business credit history.